Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your dressmaking business. If you are a dressmaker, then manually managing all the custom orders and fittings can be a very time consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for dressmaking business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I've sent a general message like hi, and our chatbot responds us with welcome to Elegant Threads Custom Dresses Tailored to Perfection. Please choose an option, and it has provided us 3 options. So I'm going to select the first one that says custom designs, and it is asking for type of dress. So here I'm going to say gown, and then it is asking for preferred fabric. So I'm going to say satin. It is asking please share a reference image. So here I'm going to send a reference image. Like this. And then it responds me with we have received your preferences. We will get back with ideas and a quote. Next, I'm going to select the second option that says book a fitting. And it is asking for preferred date. So I'm going to send a preferred date like this. And it responds me with we have received your booking on this date. We will get back to you soon. So lastly, I'm going to select the option that says track my order. And it responds me with a clickable tracking link of the order. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. You have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it to WhatsApp Chatbot for Dressmaking Business. On the screen, there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. It is a specific pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. You have to use this specific regex to activate the chatbot. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message. Like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Here I've added this little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option. So let's begin with custom designs. And for this, I am going to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. I'm going to place it here, and here I'm going to take all the details of the custom designs. Like, please share the following type of dress. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Here I'm going to ask another question. So here I'm going to add another question box, and here I'm going to add, and here I'm asking for preferred fabric. Link it to the question box, and in the contact custom field, I'm going to select name, and as format, I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to click on ask media to get an idea of what kind of dress they want. Link it to the question box. Here I've added please share a reference image. I'm going to leave the contact custom field empty, and in media type I'm going to select image. I'm going to provide number of attempts 3. You can provide as many as you want, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. Lastly, I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add this. It will appear like this to the user. Next, I'm going to move on to the second quick reply option that says book a fitting, and for this again I'm going to access the question box, and here I'm going to take the details of the fitting and link it to the corresponding quick reply option. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select date, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add this. And it will appear like this to the user. Here I've added $date because it was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual date sent by the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for track my order. I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add a tracking link like this. It will appear like this to the user, and this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for dressmaking business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure, and once you have created your chatbot, you can save your flow from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.